The countdown to 2024 has begun, and as we reflect on the year behind us, it's crucial to look ahead and set our intentions, especially regarding our finances. Frugality is an ever-evolving journey of mindful decisions that positively impacts your wallet and the environment. Here are 10 essential frugal actions you might want to undertake before 2023 draws to a close. Number 1. Comprehensive home inventory. Begin with a comprehensive audit of your possessions. This isn't merely an act of organization. It's a way to rediscover items you've forgotten and halt any impulsive buying. Those shoes or that bag you were considering? Maybe you already have something similar tucked away. Number 2. Embrace the DIY gift movement. The holiday season doesn't mean you have to drain your savings. Embrace gifting, whether it's homemade jams, knitted scarves, or a scrapbook of memories. Such presents often carry more emotional weight than store-bought ones. Number 3. Subscription analysis. In today's digital age, it's easy to rack up subscriptions. Everything from apps to online courses to magazines. They all seem small, but together they can create a significant drain. Evaluate their utility and don't hesitate to cancel what no longer serves you. Number 4. The No Spend Challenge. Set aside 1 week where you vow not to spend on anything non-essential. This financial fast will not only boost your savings, but also make you more conscious of your spending patterns. Number 5. Batch cooking extravaganza. Invest a weekend in bulk cooking. Using seasonal produce, you can whip up stews, soups, and other dishes to feast. This not only saves money, but ensures you always have a nutritious meal ready, reducing the temptation of ordering in. Number 6. The art of repurposing. New isn't always better. That old table could use a lick of paint, or those jeans could turn into trendy shorts. Before discarding, consider how items can be revamped or repurposed. Number 7. Declutter and profit. Selling items that no longer align with your lifestyle can be both liberating and profitable. Platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace are great avenues to consider. Number 8. DIY festive decor. Bring authenticity and personality to your festive decorations by creating them yourself. Engage family members, making it a fun activity while saving a pretty penny. Number 9. Energy efficiency drive. Winter can skyrocket energy bills. Simple acts like sealing gaps in windows, using draft stoppers, and setting your thermostat a couple of degrees lower can result in substantial savings. Number 10. Annual financial reflection. Lastly, take a deep dive into your financial choices. Over the past year, understanding where you may have overspent can offer insights and prevent future splurges. This introspection can be your roadmap for a financially prudent 2024. Bonus. Plan ahead. While this is a list for the tail end of 2023, remember that frugality is a year-round pursuit. Start thinking about your financial goals for 2024. Whether it's saving a certain amount, cutting down on specific expenses, or investing, having a clear vision can be incredibly motivating. Embracing frugality isn't about deprivation. It's about choosing abundance in what matters. As you prepare to bid farewell to 2023, these steps will ensure you're not just financially stable, but also richer in experiences, memories, and peace of mind.